All right, so I want to give you a walkthrough of the new ZonBuildr AI software and show you how easy it is to use and how easy it is to start generating Amazon commissions with. So with the software, what it's going to do is it's going to use ChatGPT, which the software is integrated with, and it's going to go out and write your content and also add your Amazon affiliate link to the content as well, so you're all set and ready to start earning Amazon commissions. So to use the software, all you simply need to do is add your Amazon tracking ID. You don't need any Amazon API keys, just simply a tracking ID so you can earn commission, and then we can go and we can either create an AI post on anything we would want, or we have some pre-built ones for you. So the first one is a product review. So all you need to do is simply enter in the URL of any Amazon product you want a review written on, and the software will go out and create that for you. So for example, I just grabbed a quick product off Amazon for a security camera. So I pop in the URL, I hit generate, and the software will go out and use ChatGPT to write the entire product review for you and also include your affiliate link to use as well. So you can see just like that, it's gone out and created that content. So if we scroll down here, we can edit any of this content, but you can see it's kind of given an overview of the product, the pros, the cons, and then really just an overall review of the product itself. And then of course it creates our affiliate link for it. So I have my affiliate link right here. So I can simply copy this. And if I wanted to, I can add it to more places in here. So for example, I'll just put it up at the top, hit link, enter that in, and we're all set. So again, you don't have to go back and forth with Amazon to get your affiliate link. The software will actually create that for you. Then we can insert a featured image. So you can either use one you've created, or we can grab one from Pixabay, which are all royalty-free images. So I just did outdoor security camera, and we can kind of look at the images it brought back, and then we can pick any of these to be our featured image. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this first one it brought back, hit create article, and it'll go ahead, put this on our site, format everything for us, create the article. We don't need to do anything with it. So if we go take a look, we can see it's gone ahead, added this to our site. So we have the title, we have the featured image we chose. You can see we have our Amazon affiliate link right here, and everything is completely done for us. So again, we can go back here and write more of those, but we also have a product roundup. So instead of choosing a specific product, we just choose a product type. So for me, let's just say I want to write an article on the top golf balls in the market. So I just simply put in the product keyword, which for in this case, I just use golf ball, and it'll go ahead and create that content for us again. So once again, it wrote that content for us, has a little introduction, and now it's going to list out the top 5 choices for that keyword. So we have the title is Pro V1, there's our affiliate link. It's just going to list each of the golf balls in the list. So again, we have the top 5. Each one has pros, cons, our affiliate link, and then a conclusion. So again, I can go ahead, add the featured image, create article, and it's done. So again, I can write an entire product review in a matter of seconds, have it posted to my site, perfectly formatted, ready to start earning me Amazon affiliate commissions. And again, I can create as many of these as I want. You can do unlimited products on your site. And then in addition, we also have the AI post generator where you can ask ChatGPT absolutely any question you want, and it'll go ahead and create content for you. For example, if I wanted a more general article, not a product review, I can just say, what do I need to get started playing golf? If I have a golf website, I hit generate, and now it'll go out and create that article for me. So you're not just limited to product reviews and product roundups. Again, you can create absolutely any type of content using the AI that's built into the software. So again, if you're ready to start earning some Amazon affiliate commissions without needing the Amazon API, having to go get your affiliate link, or having to write or format anything, the ZonBuildr AI software is the perfect option.